Ban betengnya kejingga kon persya ya udroks Myntri Rangbah kejela harangkat bat ki high level and district level drug disposal committee jong Kamegalaya Police hene kesngi gala thangno ya drok ba shongdor kumbasan pulai point prapu nriu klur Star Cement Ltd East Janja Hills District hagne kesngi lai don lang nadu Symbud Myntri Rangbah kejela ba Preston Tensong ba sniaw balang dahar ke Menteri Jokatanat ke Kota Kia ke kong Amperin Lengdo ke Emily ke kong Santa Mary Sela bat kiwai di kiri Rangbah. Apa keren hakini kesni nak liang Myntri Rangbah ulah kubur ba ke sorkar bat kejelahi bero kawai kanang yai beteng ban penduk jat ya unia ujing di ubasniu. Ubala penjot ya shibun ba ki mensim beriau kamtam ya ki kun samlah. Ulang ba ke sorkar lang ba ke drug reduction elimination and action mission kan ai jengkershan ya gitu kisamla ke balangop ha uni ujing di bat ki badang ya kun persya ban penduk jat ya uni ujing di pun buat bala sapreng keleng saudong.
Sir, we assure you, sir, the fight against drugs will continue unabated under the leadership of our Honorable DGP to ensure that our youth of Meghalaya are safe and secure in the near future. So we are closely working out with the ATF team as well, day and night. So this main reason for this program is to ensure that there is a transparency in disposal of drugs. These drugs have been disposed duly after getting the due court order, and we have also invited members of public also to witness it. And all these things have been packed and properly inventorized, and now we have been putting it in the incinerator. Now we will submit the report accordingly. So there is no question of where the drugs which we have seized has been going to different places or not. This is a very completely transparent process. So the main reason for this program is that only, sir, that we have invited members of public, everyone who has directly witnessed this program now, sir. So I would like to also thank Star Cement for immense support, sir, without their
it amounts to more than 53 crores, the market value. These are drugs. These are drugs that have been seized in different cases, in a total of 56 different cases from different districts of Eastern Range. So we would like to inform that we have the amount of seized drugs in Eastern Range, which is still waiting for disposal, is nearly double what we are disposing today, sir. We are hoping to get the necessary court orders to expedite that process. Unfortunately, between the gap between the last time we had such a big disposal and now, sir, it's nearly 2 years. In fact, more than 2 years. We had the last time the one in 2022. We hope to be making this a regular affair so that it doesn't keep accumulating, and all those allegations that there has been siphoning off from the Malkhanas, etc., does not keep recurring. I would like to assure everybody present here that whatever is seized and whatever is shown in and forwarded to court remains court property until we get an order from court for disposing. So there's no question of any kind of pilferage or any kind of deviation from the norms that have been set under the NDPS rule. Further, I would also like to inform that under the NDPS rules, what we have disposed of today will have to be certified by the committee which has been set up for this particular purpose. The IOs of the various cases are here today. All the OCs of the police station for which the case has been registered and which the seizing has been made will then give a certification, and this certification goes to court, and only then the whole process of disposal of any seized drugs is completed. the amount that has been disposed of today is minus the amount drawn for samples for sending for either for testing or for other purposes. While we have destroyed, while we are destroying the majority of the drugs that have been seized, this would include heroin and ganja. We have more than 2,600 kgs of ganja being destroyed today. We have more than 3 kgs of heroin being destroyed today. We have a small quantity of opium, but that goes to the opium center in Ghazipur, which we are mandated to do, and we have in fact coordinated with the National Narcotics Control Bureau, which has facilitated and ensured that we adhere to all these rules under the NDPS. So, of Meghalaya, Shri respected Deputy Chief Minister of Police and other departments, Shri Presun Singh, respected Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Rangbah, respected Health Minister.
Habis hilang ni kador jom kini drok sekolah apoi pemba rajan poi satu klur tingkat agaba nak kalian jom polis nak kalian jom ki paibang asunguk masuk rom dia kebun ki seng balang ki kebun ki snong ki tau ki be krelang rekan-rekan berkatim jom ki polis berkat sorkar ki baju ya ajing tim ya ki bril ki ba supply dan ki ba wanra ki ki jan drugs kita pair hapok berjalan macam ni dengan semua sebelum Symbud usia semua sebelum Symbud dia minta ke sini kembali siam lepatai ilalah keban pendet kimdai ban sutu berpelan mar don teng di bami akikot kuar lain hujan ke berjiong ngikeli ki boleh syanu tibu ki drugs ki bangilah FC dia ngong ipim maria de pansis ka an ka NDPS ka ong dah apa saya kira bagi hapan somit cekut, bagi hapan buah nginem nak banlet dan muibat yang somit cekut, bagi kadon lu ke komiti step by step, nadu ke district level committee, hadu ke high level committee, bagi nanta rengkap, bagi direction bagawan cekut, yakini ke mar ke mengalah mentai ke bantam no, dari ban penduk jat no, kadai hadir ngayo order nak cekut, dia nak kadau kini ke katur district snen. Dan hau aja Al-Quran ngilalah ban destroy jadi katukan ni tenrei nama bahasa sakut akapun mentah keketi kapun kalau aja ni order ke clearance mengilah ban pedet dengan kuah ban persyai hang ni kolomba nak kalian coba sorgar om day bagi buri om day bagi kuah ban penyihat de pemipat tenrei day tang nak kadau ka pelong ka kapor ka bapor bagi habaliat step by step kan kenegaraan kaba kaladon lempa apa juni ngale tu ya pi yang kini kendian naru ilade ya kaban play ya ka office ka gerbang kami ong ka ANTF team dari ANTF office ka belum dedicated fully nak benda umno interest tomban pendujai di drops apa kajinglah jom japal singu badai IPS USP ubapek bakmi nak minta ke jelam nikla jogi barok kowe dengan kermen scam dak ke jindon bat ke jikri jogi dari office ka NTPF kan dia kan ya Symbud nak nes kena ban pendujai ya kini ki jai jindi ki ba syirkai ki ba penjot om tang ya UWA nei ki ba pun ki balang nadu ki kena ki bedang red hadu ki kena ki bedang temen dan ki orang ba ki bedang temen ki bangok ha kini ki jingri dia nak kadang nak kalian jungi kesorkan nginem tiak dengan dem bat ni kerpat red yang parok ki stakeholder siap parok ki nok sok-nok jo becela jungi nginem ya keren su tang ya ke east jantia dan west jantia dan ke east kasih anrei hap parok keleng sodong jo becela me kala jungi tapi jungi nak kalian komen kolomba to ini trailer nadu kinong sensyar snong nadu kinong sensyar hima kumjuru ki seng bahlang ki bapero per ki seng kentei ki seng samna snong par kabangi kerpat kolong tu ini trailang bat la ki yo ya beijing tip kanu kin sego bahaban tertib sya ki police station dari police outpost jogi ki bangi nglabu ki direction nya ai ke direction ka tikna ka bapaka kumno ban handle ya kini issue ki ba di isyakhay hadu kata-kata. Dengan sengaja burung nak kalian juga police department, bau chief minister daladi, nang tahu deputy chief minister, bau sengaja balang dah, hukum juri kong aprin i balong i minister juga health department, nang tahu local MNI jungi kong santai dalam akan kasih, nak kementar banyak penpau lang yang kecil sengaja kia jungi.
The respected deputy chief ministers, cabinet colleagues, MLAs, our DGP and other officials of the police department, of the administration, and all the other individuals who are present out here today. Today, the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs, is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past, and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and a team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT and the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely. Today, as our Deputy Commissioner has mentioned, that drugs worth over 53 crores have been destroyed, which includes almost about 23.98 crores worth of heroin, which has been destroyed, about 7.6 crores worth of ganja, about 21.3 crores worth of white crystal meth, and many other forms of drugs and substance abuse that is there. The materials, those have been today destroyed. And again, as mentioned by DGP, we have in our stock more that will be destroyed in the coming months, but there are procedures that need to be followed as per law, and certain permissions need to be taken from the court, and as a very strong message to our state, our citizens, that we are very serious about this, and this particular war and the fight against drugs will continue. But in order for us to overcome this, we need to work together. And so I also take this opportunity to appeal to the citizens, to the community, to our people, that we must be in this together and work together as a team. I'm happy today that our Health Minister also is here. Health Department has a huge role to play. The Social Welfare Department is also playing a very active role and is anchoring, in fact, the DREAM project and the mission that we have, which is to eliminate and also provide rehabilitation to the drug users in the best possible manner, and eliminate drugs in terms of the supply that is there coming into our state and the country as a whole. So